Hi, I'm Eric from Stinger. Today we're going to be talking about Jeeps. Jeeps have a ton of trim levels available, so whether you're looking for the right one for you, or you've already got a Jeep and you're looking to see what upgrades are available, I'm going to break it down for you trim level by trim level. The Wrangler Sport, Willys Sport, Sport S, Freedom, Willys, and Sport Altitude all come stock with the 5-inch screen. The Black and Tan, Rubicon, Rubicon Recon, Sahara, Sahara Altitude all come stock with a 7-inch screen. So if you want the absolute top of the line, High Altitude and North Edition come stock with the 8.4-inch screen. No matter which trim level you have, our kit was designed to fit perfectly in your Jeep. It looks fantastic like it came from the showroom floor that way. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning 10-inch HD touchscreen display. This is the perfect canvas to display the beautiful features that we add to your Jeep. The screen has been specially designed to reduce glare, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight. Taking a look at the screen side by side, the jump from the 8.4-inch to the Heighten isn't that huge. But from the 7-inch to the Heighten is over a 40% increase. And from the 5-inch to the Heighten, you're literally doubling the screen size. Thanks to pack integration technology, the Heighten kit can pull Jeep information from the Jeep and display it on the screen. The factory 8.4-inch screen has this capability as well, but the 5 and 7-inch do not. You'll be able to see pitch and roll gauges, multiple temperature gauges, oil pressure gauge, battery voltage, speed tracking data, live drivetrain information, and more through our vehicle information app. For Jeeps equipped with automatic climate controls, we built a graphic representation of the HVAC system, so you can see the functions and settings. You can use the physical controls that came with your Jeep, and you can use the graphic controls that came with your Heighten. This feature is not available for Jeeps with manual HVAC controls. All of these Jeeps come with an HD reverse camera. Many aftermarket solutions result in downgrading this camera to standard definition. Our Heighten installation kit retains the HD quality of your reverse camera, and it looks amazing on our 10-inch display. In addition to the reverse camera, the Heighten has multiple camera inputs. You can even overlay the off-road information over any of the camera feeds. The Heighten kit retains your Jeep's Android Auto and CarPlay, so you can still send and receive messages and phone calls, stream music or podcasts, and control your phone's navigation apps all without touching your phone. When it comes to upgrades you can hear and not see, the Heighten has a built-in 4-channel amplifier. You get an expanded 15-band equalizer as opposed to the 3-band equalizer that came stock with your Jeep. The Heighten has 6 4-volt RCA pre-outs, which are perfect for adding aftermarket amplifiers if you want to expand your sound system. The system also includes an optional upgrade. You can purchase separately a micro SD card that has navigation by iGo. Plug it into your Heighten, and now you can have navigation maps, turn-by-turn directions, all without the use of a cell phone signal. One of the best features about the Heighten kit is it costs less than upgrading to the factory Jeep option. From Jeep, that 8.4-inch radio is going to cost you over $1,800. The Heighten is going to give you more features and a bigger screen for less money. Thanks for joining us on this breakdown video of Jeep Wranglers trim by trim.